In this lecture, I am delighted to guide you through the fascinating world of the creating tables in LaTeX, a typesetting system for its exceptional document formatting capabilities. Tables are essential element in many documents, be it research papers, reports, or presentations. With LaTeX, you can create intricate and professional-looking tables to enhance the visual appeal and clarity of your document. Tables in LaTeX are not just rows and columns; they are expressions of data and information, beautifully structured and meticulously presented. As we delve into this topic, you will discover the art of defining tables structure, adding content, and applying various formatting options to tailor the tables according to your specific need. By the end of this lecture, you will be equipped with the knowledge and skills to create sophisticated tables that make your document truly stand out. So let's start today's lecture. In this lecture, we are using the same file which we use for the previous lectures, LaTeX for scientific document, and after this lecture, the file will be uploaded in your certificate course and you can download the same. And along with we need some packages you can see on the text file. So these three packages are required: array, multi-row, rotating. Rotating is used to rotate the table. Sometimes it is required to make landscape. Multi-row package is used if sometimes we need to merge column or row. Okay, so this is the file which we are using, LaTeX for scientific document, and all the content are ready to present. This will reduce our time and will help you to understand all the content which we are going to present here. At the page number 11, this is the section number 8, creating table. So here there are several ways to create the table, and to create the table, first we are dealing here very simple table at this place. So here to create the simple table, we will start /begin center, enter. Then we will have begin tabular /begin tabular, and at this place you will use C space C space C. If your table is containing 3 columns, then you will use C 3 times. If your table has 2 columns only, then you will use C 2 times. Okay, then enter. Now we will have cell 1, then you will use here and for the second column. This is cell 2, then again you will use here and cell 3 and build the file. You will see on the right hand side 3 columns with 1 row is inserted at this place. If you have multiple rows, then break this row and start the next row. Okay, copy from this place. I'm using this cell and I have 3 rows. Okay, so this is the 4 element, this is the 5th cell, and this is the 6th cell. Okay, and rebuild the file, and you will see that on the right hand side the table has 3 columns and 2 rows. Further, if you want to insert some more rows, you will break the rows and paste here. This is 7, this is 8th cell, this is 9th cell. Okay, rebuild the file. So on the right hand side we have now a table having 3 rows and 3 columns. If you want to insert horizontal and vertical lines and you want to separate all these elements with the lines, so for the vertical lines you will insert here vertical line, then again here is vertical line, and here is vertical line and vertical line. Rebuild the file and you will see that the lines has been inserted in the cell. If you want to insert the line on the top and at the bottom, then you will insert here, we are using H line. Okay, rebuild the file and you will find that the horizontal line has been inserted on the top. If you want to insert the horizontal line at the bottom, then H line. At the bottom we have the horizontal line also. Break the line, then insert the horizontal line. Yes, So here on the top, on the bottom, left, right, and all the element, all the column are separated by vertical line. If you want to insert all the horizontal line and you want to separate all the rows, then insert here /h line. So now you can see that the table, all the element are separated with horizontal line and vertical line, and a very beautiful table has been inserted, which is the very simplest way to present here. If sometimes you want to insert the table like in this way, on the left hand side we have a double line and on the right hand side we have also double line, and see the syntax for the same. So here the columns are 4. At this place you will use double line, and on the right hand side also we have double line. We will use this double vertical line. Okay, then we have the on the top H line, and along with you can see in the first row there is large space, and that space is maintained by using this code 0.5 cm. If you want to minimize, I am using here 1 centimeter, and you will see that the size will be decreased. Yeah, okay. And also you can see here /h line, this will break the top horizontal row. Okay, all the elements are separated as you can see in the figure by using double H line. If you are using here a single H line and rebuild the file, you will see that the difference will be merged. Okay, now there is no space between the first row and the other rows. And if you want to again rebuild, then do undo and rebuild the file. You will see the double horizontal lines has been inserted below the first row of the table. Similarly, you can fix the table's column width by using this package, use package array, which has been inserted in the environment of the document already. And you can see here the size of first column is larger than the other two column, and see the syntax for the same here, how we can manage the size. So here you can see the begin table and end table. Okay, these are used, and also you can fix the position by using H. Okay, and here is also we have table is used to customize the position. If you are using here T, or you can use at this place P, or you can use B. So when you will use at this place T, then the position of the table will be on the top. If you are using B, then the table will be at the bottom, and if you are using P, then this will be on the special page for, and if you are using H, then this will be at the current position. So now we are slash centering is used for the center of the table in the document. Now this is the first line for the code of the table, and at this place we will manage the column size. Okay, so begin tabular, and here you can see the first column size we have is 8 centimeter, M middle, and end centimeter. Then we have the second column, the size is width is 1 centimeter, and the width of the third column we have is 1 centimeter. Okay, and other we have the usual content of the cell of the table, and according to this size the table will be managed automatically. And rebuild it, you will see that the column on the right hand side, yeah, if you will decrease the size, suppose I am making at this place 4 centimeter, and rebuild it, you will see the change in the first column. Yes, you can see on the first column the size is 4 centimeter, and according to your choice you can customize the size of each column according to the width of your content. Now how we can manage and combine the rows and column, here you can see on the right hand side the table. On the top we can see the first row is have only one row, or the columns are merged. Okay, and other we have the 4 columns and corresponding content we can see, and also we can fix the width of each column. So how we can merge or combine the columns? We need to insert this statement /multi-column, and by using we can easily manage the table. See the code at this place. Here you can see the slash begin table and slash end table. Between these two statements we have the entire code. The slash centering is used for the center of the table in the document, and this statement is important for you to manage the width of each column as we discussed in the above. So here you can see the width of each column is 3 centimeter, the second column and third column and fourth column. H line is used for the horizontal line, and this is the important statement which is new for this table. So here you can see multi-column we are using here, and here are 4 columns. So we want to merge 4 column, and then we will insert here C, which is used for the single column, and if you are using 2 times, then there will be 2 columns, but here we have only 1 column. Okay, then the country list. So on the top, on the right hand side, you can see country list is there. There we have the horizontal line, and the other columns are usual as we do in the previous. Only the new statement here is this one. So by using this statement, we can have the column will be combined. Okay, now when you will build this statement, and you can see on the right hand side, so by using this statement we have the table on the right hand side, which you can see. Similarly, we can merge the rows in matrix in the table. Okay, so here on the right hand side you can see the table, and on the first column the 3 rows are merged. See the code for this one. Yes, so here this is the code, and the first statement and the last statement are similar. Then we have the centering, and then we have the begin tabular. Okay, there are 3 columns, C, C and C. 3 columns are there, and the first 3 column element we have is column 1, column 2, column 3, and all these are separated with the using and new row will be started by using double slash. Then after we have the horizontal line, and we want to merge the other 3 rows, okay, in the first column. See here, so here we are using multi-row, and 3 rows we want to merge, and the size is 4 em. Okay, this is the size for the same, and here we have the multiple row. You can see the content which are in the row element, and then we have cell 2 and cell 3. These are the content on the right hand side, you can see will be published. After that, rest we have only 2 columns and 2 rows. These are inserted at this place in this way, and cell 5 and cell 6 and cell 8 and cell 9. So these are the content of the table as you can see on the right hand side. And when you build the file, so now you can see, yes, so this is the table on the right hand side. Okay, now after that we have positioning table. Okay, for the positioning of the table we can easily do the same. For the positioning of the table, we are using begin table, and at its place we will insert H, T, B, P as we use for the figures. The same is here only. Okay, so the same parameters will be used for the position of the table, and if you are using at its place T, the figure table will be on the top, and these are the rest content as you can see here. If you want to change, here is T, then see what happen. The table will be on the top in the document. Yes, the table is on the top at this place, and if you are using here is B, then the table will be at the bottom. See the page. Yes, the table is at the bottom. So in this way, if you are using here is P, then it will be on the special page. See on this page only this table will be appear. Okay, there is no other content. So in this way you can change the positions for all the tables, and you can customize according to your choice. Now the important part is captions, labels and references. So here we have the table, and in this table we are using the caption. So these statements are the same as we use in the previous table, and at this place we have the end tabular, and this is the end and table. So here we are using the caption. Caption for this table we are using table to test captions and labels. Okay, and labels is used at this place slash label table colon 1. So a label is used to cite the table in your document for the cross reference. Okay, and how you can use this label, see this statement at this place. So here is slash reference and table. The label which we assigned at this place is used at this place also. Okay, so when you will build this file, see, yes, here you can see the table 1, and the on the right hand side in the section 8.5 we have the caption table to test captions and labels, and the number of this table is 1 at this place, because in the previous tables we did not insert the caption, and when you will insert the caption then the numbering of the tables will be also inserted automatically. Okay, so in this way we can use the caption also, and I copy this caption from this place and I insert the caption at the address place, and then I use the caption for this table also, and rebuild this file. Again rebuild this file. Yes, so you can see here is the table 1 and caption is there. Then we have table 2 and table 2 test caption is there, and the most important thing is that previously this was table 1. Okay, now it is table 3 because the captions of the above two tables are also inserted, and see at this place that previously it was table 1, and as soon as we will insert the captions this reference automatically updated. So in this way we can use the labels to customize our document, and the numbering and their references also we can easily automate, manage them. Okay, last we have the landscape table. Sometimes when we have the long table horizontally, then we can fix the table in our document in landscape position. Okay, and for that we have to use the package rotating, and see here we have this table as you can see in the landscape position, and see the code how we can do this one. So first you will use the package in your document, use package rotating. Then we will start by using this statement begin sideways table, and H is the position. Then we have the caption. You can give the caption at the top or you can give the caption at the bottom, depends upon your choice or the template of the article. Okay, so here you can see the begin tabular and L, C, C, R, R. These are the some left column, center and right columns. Okay, and you can see this will create 10 columns, and then we have the same way as we use here is double H line. Then we have the titles and space, each and everything as we do in the previous tables. All the things are same, only the we are using with the statement slash begin sideway table. Okay, rest other the content which are using in the for the table remain same, and sometimes if you need to increase or decrease the space you can manage accordingly. So when you will build this file, and you can see on the right hand side the table which we have is this one. So in this way you can easily rotate the table in your document. So in this table we use the some packages which are new, and when you will download this file and use this file, the most important thing is that your system must be connected with internet, because the new packages must be installed in your system. Only then you can use this file, and this file will be useful for you. The file will be uploaded in the certificate course. You can download from that place. I hope after some experiment and by using this file you will be able to use, and you will be able to create these different type of tables in your document for your need. There may be some prompts, and very soon we will organize the live session so that the prompts which you face till now will be discussed in the live class. Thank you very much to see this lecture till the end.